Apple is examining some concepts. We figure this stuff out via the patent filings. I think you're missing this story, which is fantastic.
Okay, well,
It's this one is on appleinsider.com, and the title of the article, Apple examining concept of iPhone cases that can charge AirPods. This is kind of an interesting thing, especially considering the fact that we have the Galaxy S21 event coming up very shortly at the time people are watching this, and we're going to be doing a live stream for that. So after you're done watching this episode, go look for that live stream, because we're going to be broadcasting during the entire event and then publishing an unboxing video immediately after. Holy moly. Keep it all together. That's going to be on the Unbox Therapy channel. But anyway, we've seen the rumors and the leaks, and we've seen how Samsung came up with some novel ways to house the S Pen in some of their accessories, because now you have the pen input for the S lineup, not just the Note series. And so it gets you thinking, what more could be done with accessories, and how could we merge together all the things around our favorite devices and not just the device itself? So obviously we've seen reverse wireless charging by placing your headphones on the back of a phone or using your phone to charge another phone, power sharing, whatever you want to call it. We have also seen the pen, or Apple calls it the pencil. Their pencil on the iPad has the magnetic attachment on the side. But the headphone one is actually maybe more interesting than, well, they're both interesting. The pen and the headphone, they kind of work. They don't do much without a device to feed them a source. But right now, your headphones, let's say your AirPods, for example, they require a separate case, and the separate case carries a charge, which is kind of nice, but it's a separate thing to carry around. Now, what if the case for your phone was also the case for your AirPods, and they were capable of charging, as you can see in this particular diagram right here, as part of the patent filing, so they could just fit in there when they're not in use and catch a little boost. Now, Apple has done something kind of like this by creating a battery case in the past, which, if you remember, it was a bit of a meme town. It had the hump on the back that looked like a camel, or like a plateau on the top. But if you could do it in a smooth kind of magnetic way, you could create a little slim channel for an AirPod to charge up. That could be interesting. Now, it's important to note that this particular patent is pointing at an accessory case rather than having them plugged directly into the phone itself. And Will is actually having a fun time right now. I see him smirking, which usually means he wants to talk. Go ahead, Will. What do you got?
Well, based on this patent, it looks like it has antlers, this phone.
Oh, yeah, that's right.
You know? Like
could be a look. Now, actually, that's not the only version of this they showed off. If you scroll down a little bit, you'll see there's a flip-style case, which actually gives you a different location to potentially house those AirPods. Now, style of case, we've all seen this wallet kind of case with a pass-through window. Now, imagine if you had a section carved out for some low-profile earbuds, which could also fit in there. It's kind of fun. It seems not exactly Apple-ish, because it could be perceived as kind of gimmicky, but if you could do it in a smooth way, if you could do it in such a fashion that felt complete and quality, then, I mean, your earbuds are there whenever you need them.
Yeah.
So from a functionality perspective, I don't need to make the case. You can understand why that would be nice, but it has to be manufactured in such a way that it's not perceived as a gimmick.
I agree.